Hello guys, today is basically I am showing a unboxing video. So just now I have received this package. Okay, so 10 days earlier I have ordered this item, and I was very expecting that when this will come, but today just received it. So for showing you, I'm unboxing this. So very good, nice packaging with bubble wrap so that no damage could occur. So this is a JK BMS with active balancer, and it's a 150 ampere and 2 ampere balance current maximum. So this is the BMS, you can see it's very good quality. Okay, so two temperature sensor are there, and B minus and P minus two. These are 8 gauge copper cover connections, and these are, as I described, temperature sensors, two temperature sensors. This good beefy one. So and the length of the temperature sensors were also very good, so easily you can place the temperatures. And this is basically the balance wires, very nicely packed up to 24, 24s you can build with the battery with this the help of this BMS. This is really good. So this two lead I am just now loosely connecting with them. Yeah, it's very good, so that easily I can connect the batteries on the cells of the so up to, as here marking, you can see here it's marked there, up to 24s. It's neat, clean, and it will take care. Plug and forget type of device. Once you properly configure the device with your Bluetooth, so it has inbuilt Bluetooth, and this is the power indicator. So once you connected this device with the Bluetooth and configured, then you just think still that you can worry less about your sales and the battery. It will take care, very good take care. So these are the items I received. Again, take a glimpse. Thank you all.